What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Finalizing Official. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a different time, guys. We are watching this video from the far end, guys. And today, guys, it's all morning here, and I'm trying to shoot this video on Monday morning, guys. So wherever you are, I hope you wanna enjoy this vlog for today. And guys, to be honest, I wanna thank you a million, guys, by who supporting me by watching my videos from the first up to the end, guys. That's the best to support Finalizing Official here. And guys, I don't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you guys. If could not you guys, I could not manage my YouTube channel even a single moment, guys. So right now that you see here, I have putting some tiles, guys. For sure, I have put some tiles, guys. I'm just like, wow, even I'm sleeping on tiles, guys. Man, it's all about you, and it's all about God's plan. And you can see here, the tile was pure white, and then I'm trying to put some screening. This one here, you can see. So, sorry for that, guys. You can see the wall was too dark, you can see. And then, to be honest, maybe I'll start maybe for painting, and then there's some powder like this mark here, so they can put, and then you can see this line goes straight up down. So this mark, we have another powder we called the mason. They can do skimming the whole house for living room, and then they start painting. So you can see the door, the wall. So going that way, this is my brother's room, that's my room. It's good thing. So guys, this is where I'm living. So right now I came from border town because I'm going to purchase some material from my house that are needed, maybe things like mopper, basket, brush. Although right now these types was totally pure white, so they need a lot of maintenance, and all the time must be clean, guys. So right now I was coming from border town, I purchased everything, and I think I'm not the guy who faking thing, guys, because my camera was my battery of my camera was dying, and then I'm trying to boost, so I left my camera on charging. So I rushed the border town, I purchased mopper, basket, and then when you do the mopper, you squeeze, you know, guys, I hope you know. And then some brush, you know, like these tiles, I can't use brooms because it can make some cracks, and then I bought some things like a carpet, a small carpet here. Maybe when you step on that part and you came here, you rub your legs, you enter. So those all stuff are outside, I think so, guys. So I hope you guys wanna enjoy this vlog for today. Kindly give a like, share, comment, and also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. That is the best way to support Finalizing Official, and I'm low to 4K subscriber, guys. I'm remaining like, I think, 1/4 subscriber to hit 4K. And as you can see, this part here, this part where you can remove some shoes like mine there. So I have some tiles inside for fitting here, but the cement is over, so maybe here, that way, you can see. So let me show you. Muita njo tekinani hikira njo yata zile tiles mbili nionyesha example. So I'm calling my brother. Naona masai. No. So my brother's legs was not clean. So guys, I want to show you right now, so stay tuned. So let me bring two examples for the tiles that I want to put here, so at least they have a bit look going that way, and then tiles here, so here, and then, you know, I can't betray my house, you know, betray, guys. I can't make my house inside to be clean and then here to be dirty. So that is another way I'm using. So sorry guys by using this word betray my house, because uh we had one in primary school, had some teachers say, oh, English teachers saying, oh, do you know the meaning of betrayal? You clean something like a cup, you clean inside and outside was too dirty. So my house inside was clean and here was too dirty. So I don't want to like on that. So let me show you that tiles that I wanna fix here right now. So guys, stay tuned as I show you some tiles. So guys, I'm back. So from right this there is where I'm keeping these tiles. So these tiles I wanna fix here. So it's just like one box. It's not like one box, it's one box. So I wanna fix here. But guys, to be honest, I bought around 5 cement and it finished the house. But remaining here, it's over the cement. So I kept these tiles, and then maybe when I get the cement, I wanna fix here. So you can see guys, and it looks like, if you remember the Chinese timber ceiling board, it looks like this one a bit. So this way I wanna put my tiles like on this point, and then the house can be look, and then to avoid betray my house guys. So let me take you outside, and then I wanna pick my stuff that I was tight on my motorbike. So I bring here, and then I'll start launching, maybe doing cleanness on my house. But yesterday I do random, and imagine guys, I was feeling so tired like a god, for sure. So let me take you outside. So I hope you wanna enjoy. So this is my tiles that maybe when I get the cement I wanna fix here. So guys, stay tuned as I take you outside. Oh guys, even see the meaning of the part of the cement that was here. And then so I see my brother try to mop on this part here, and then let me take you outside as I show you what is going on. Let me check what my brother is doing here. So this is our kitchen, our smoke kitchen here. So right here they want to prepare some things here. This is our tea, the mixture of water and milk. Oh man. So every day he was the one who prepare our breakfast. Also when the school have been closed or during the evening time, they enjoy maybe preparing first break. So this is our brother here. So let me take you outside. So guys, this is our small tank, and they have some liter of water. Okay, so I'm rushing outside. I want to show you chicken to my brother. They feel so hungry. Wow, look at this. Okay, so let me take you outside. Wow, look, a lot of mud. Look. And then I had some comment on my video that, hello baby, go and buy some sand and then you smear on it. So that's so crazy. So it is what it is, but I'm thinking of putting some veranda here to avoid maybe water going to interfere on that house. So guys, my motorbike is right there. As I told you, my camera went off, and then because I'm using one battery, when went off, the end of the story. So I was boosting, and then I rushed to the border town. I buy my materials. Okay, these are avocado trees. So it's here guys. You think that I was joking? So right here, this is a mop, this is a brush, you can see. And then the good thing is, as I told you, the stuff like a small carpet, when you enter inside, you rub your legs and then you enter on my living room. So it's here. So it's here. So it's here. and it's brand new, guys. You can see even it's written Istanbul carpet, brand name. Look, guys, made in Indonesia. Guys, I hope if you are watching this video from Indonesia, this is your material. So look, so you can rub your legs and you enter, guys. So guys, it's according to you by supporting me and to own things like this. You know, past I can't manage to own things like this, guys. For sure I wanna appreciate you. So this first, and then this is the product of Kenya. You can see email everything, and maybe let me know in the comment section. Me, I'm calling the basket, but the bucket, wherever the bucket, I don't know. So let me know in the comment section. I call the basket of mopping basket, I don't know. But and then it is what it is. You can see. Okay, and then this what we calling collecting dustbin right here. You see, I don't know why I like most green stuff. Take this, and then inside here we have when I'm going to, let me show you, when I'm going to our bathroom where I can take some shower, so I can work with this stuff. I put here some soap right here, and it's 2 in 1. Here is our scrubbing stuff, and here it's our soap. So when I'm walking from my house right there with water on my basin, and then I'm walking to our washroom. We call washroom, I don't, whichever the case. So we come that way, and then this is how African washroom looks like. And then I put here our basin, and then I put my stuff here, because most of the time when I came to take shower inside here, there is soap. Maybe when I put here goes down and interfere with some soil here. So maybe when I take shower, I put here some soap, you can see, and then here our scrubbing stuff. So that is the end. And then imagine taking shower here. So guys, this is our real life in our village here, guys. So I'm buying this stuff, guys. So let me take you to my side, actually, to finish this video for today. And it's all about maybe buying stuff for my house. You know, guys, hygiene is very important in human beings, in our health. So this is I think I've already finished, and then I've already shown you this. Okay, so I pour here some water. Maybe I wanna go look for the liquid soap. Maybe I put inside, I mix, and then that was maybe when it's smelling good, and then I put inside here, I rotate, and then I start mopping. Okay, I think I've shown you everything, and then let me do like this. I do like this, and then this is our mop. Imagine, guys, this one. As I told you, this is our mop, and then I do like this, you see, and then I start squeezing like this. You see, it's brand new. Okay, it's brand new, and it's even have some polythene paper, you can see. Yeah, so guys, I'm not faking things. So this is our brush, you can see, and I bought this for cleaning my house, because I can't use maybe natural brooms because it gonna interfere with my tiles. So this one, I think, even though I was at Amara's place taking inside of the as a security officer inside of the house, normally I was using this stuff every day, cleaning the house and guys, when I remember that journey, it was a good journey, but I learned more about things from there. So that is it. So guys, maybe I want to take you inside so to launch this stuff, and then I think it's okay. So guys, stay tuned as I go inside of my house. This is African house. So, and then the good thing, maybe when you pay a visitor here, you can sit here chilling and making stories, making videos, guys. At the same time, this is our motorbike, because this time or this season we have a lot of rain here, so it's a kind of mud. So that is it. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you a million, guys. May God bless you abundantly. So stay tuned as I go inside of my house to end this video for today. So guys, today I'm launching this stuff, so I want to sweep my house. So right now here yeah, although yesterday I'm trying to clean, and then I'm feel like I'm tired, so I remove this because I don't want to interfere with them. Things like that. This is soft life. Another banda, baby, calm down. Even you come to my room here. So this is my curtain here, and then let me show you guys. This is my curtain here, because to prevent my privacy. So this is my room. So I'm start maybe cleaning from here, coming that way, and from here, and then so that is it about it. So and then I'm from here. Oh, usialisha camera, usialisha camera hivi. So kneel down. But the house was clean. I'm trying maybe yesterday doing cleanliness, but I'm trying. And then you take this stuff, so you do less, I know. So on the evil, and then you do like this, you know. Wow. Yeah. Oh my good people. And then after that, you see, so I throw aside, and then I do like this. So I kept here because the house was too clean, so I don't want to interfere with them. So after finishing, maybe on a parking here, so it is what it is. So guys, stay tuned as I show you more content about this stuff and about my house, guys. Wow. Alright guys, so this stuff here, as I told you, I wanna put here maybe so let me try to fix where, so like this, I think so. And then as I told you, when I have finished maybe complete putting tiles here, I put another one for outside. So you rub outside, and then when you enter here, you do like this. So you go that way, you sit, and then you enjoy. So these are our brooms. So even right now it's too dirty. So you see, I sweep like this, that way, and then when I finish, I using some collecting dustbin. So guys, let me end this video here by saying thank you a million. May God bless you wherever you are, wherever you're watching this video from. Guys, kindly give a like, drop a sweet comment, subscribe, comment, and share if you have a YouTube channel. That is the best way to support Hello Baby Official, the only baby in our village here. So guys, bye bye. I'm ending this video inside of my house. So guys, bye bye.